हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट। देखिए, टोपोग्राफिकल मैप। टोपोग्राफिकल मैप का मतलब विच अर्थ सरफेस एंड मैप वेयर अमंग द फर्स्ट artifact to record these observation. They are also now as topographical maps. In modern mapping, a topographic map or topographic sheet, a type of map criticized by large scale detail and quantitative representation of relief, usually using contour lines, but historically using a variety method. Traditional definitions provide a topographical maps of both nature and artificial feature. A topographic survey is topically based upon systematic observation and published as a map series made up of two or more map sheets that combine to form the whole map. A topographic map series uses a common specification that includes the range of cartography symbol employed as well as standard geodetic framework that defines the map projection coordinate system, aliquot and geodetic datum. Official topography map also adopt a national grid reference system. टोपोग्राफिकल मैप जो होते हैं विभिन्न स्थलाकृतिक मानचित्रों या स्थलाकृतिक जो लैंड है उनको प्रदर्शित करने के लिए उनका उपयोग किया जाता है, जिसमें विभिन्न जो क्षेत्र है उनको प्रदर्शित करने के लिए इनका उपयोग किया जाता है, जिनमें नेचुरल रिसोर्स, जिसमें प्राकृतिक जो संसाधन है या नेचुरल लैंड फॉर्म्स हैं उनको शो करने के लिए टोपोग्राफिकल मैप क्रिएटेड किए जाते हैं. These map depict of detail, ground relief, drainage, forest cover, administrative areas, population area, transportation, roads and facilities and other man-made feature. Other author define topographical map by constructing them with another type of map. They are distinguished from similar scale chronographic maps that cover large regions, planimetric maps that do not show elevatives, and thematic maps that focus on specific topics. यानी कि जो मानचित्र बने जाते हैं विभिन्न क्षेत्रों के आधार पर या सरफेस के आधार पर जो है उनको प्रदर्शित किया सकता है. However, in the vernacular and day-to-day world, the representation of relief is popularly held to define the granny such that 11 small-scale map showing relief are commonly in the called topography map. The study of discipline of topography is a much broader field to study which takes into account of natural and man-made feature of terrain. So topographical map are based on topographical survey. टोपोग्राफिकल जो मैप बनाए जाते हैं वो स्थलाकृति जो सर्वे होते हैं उनके आधार पर तैयार किए जाते हैं. परफॉर्मेड एट लार्ज स्केल, these survey are called topographical in the old sense of topography, showing in a variety of elevations and landforms. This is in contrast to older cadastral survey, which primarily show property and governmental boundaries. The first multi-sheet topography map series and entries country the create geometric developments was completed in 1789. The Great Trigonometric Survey in India, started by East India Company 1800 to taken over by British Raj after 1857, was notably a successful effort on a larger scale for accurately determining highest of Himalayan peaks from events over 100 miles distant. Global indexing system first developed the internal map and the world topographical survey by military assistant planning of battle and accumulates such level was vital importance as they involve topography map series become a national resource. Modern nationals and nation and planning infrastructure of expression. United States टोपोग्राफिकल मैप्स, तो यानी कि इस तरह से जो स्थलाकृतिक मानचित्र बने जाते हैं